Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use ASCII codes, which is very important topic in every programming languages. So these are my ASCII codes. I type ASCII table on Google, so I click one of them. So this is my ASCII table. Every character in memory has a corresponding ASCII code. For example, as you see, uppercase A has 65. Just look at the decimal. For example, lowercase b has 98. It means the ASCII code of lowercase b is 98. Okay, how we can use it? I come here. So I define a char variable. I say char, and then I say letter equals to. Normally, as you see, I define a character here. I define a character. So I print this character. I save it. I compile and run it. You see, no, sorry, it's 7 string. I take it back. Okay. I open my ASCII code. Sorry, yes. Okay, I corrected. So I compile and I run it. You see A appears. Super. We already know it. But I can use these ASCII codes. For example, uppercase A has 65 as an ASCII code. So I can assign 65 to 65. So if I compile it, I come here, I say java cmain.java, and I run it. You see A appears on the screen. I got the same result because 65 here is the ASCII code for uppercase A. So if I want to lowercase d, for example, I come here, I say 100, and then I compile and run it. You see lowercase d appears. I hope you understand this. Like every character has a corresponding ASCII code. So I give ASCII code instead of character. So as you realize, every character has a unique code in ASCII system. So we will use this ASCII code in our exercise. I will do lots of exercise. So this is an important topic that you cannot skip it. Just try to understand it. Like every character has a corresponding value. I can use this value instead of this character, so I can print it. So after, we will use in our exercises. Great.